Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be showing you how to make a delicious and nutritious drink called Beet kvass. This drink is made from beets and has been enjoyed for centuries in Eastern Europe for its many health benefits. It's a great source of probiotics, antioxidants, and vitamins. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 large beets, 4 cups of filtered water, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 1/4 cup of whey, optional. Step 1. Prepare the beets first. Wash and peel 2 large beets, and chop them into small pieces. You can also grate them if you prefer. Place the beets in a quart-sized glass jar. Step 2. Add water and salt next. Add 4 cups of filtered water to the jar with the beets and 2 teaspoons of sea salt. Step 3. Mix and seal. Stir the mixture thoroughly to dissolve the salt and whey. Then, seal the jar tightly with a lid. Step 4. Ferment the beet kvass. Allow the mixture to sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. During this time, the kvass will ferment, and you'll notice bubbles forming inside the jar. Be sure to check the jar every day to release any built-up pressure. Step 5. Strain and serve. After 2 to 3 days. Strain the kvass through a fine mesh strainer to remove the beets. Then, pour the kvass into a clean glass jar or bottle and store it in the refrigerator. It will last for several weeks. That's it. You've just made your own batch of delicious and healthy beet kvass. This drink is perfect to sip on throughout the day or as a refreshing beverage to enjoy after a workout. Thank you for watching, and be sure to let us know in the comments how your beet kvass turned out.